This video is going to be really important because you're finally going to see how to use video marketing successfully as a solopreneur or a coach. Now, this is part of pillar 1 of my video success framework, which is all about knowing where you want to go with video, i.e. your roadmap to actually getting results. Now, what most frustrated with video solopreneurs and coaches do is they put out random content when they feel inspired without focusing on what knock-on effect it could have on their business, or not have for that matter. And this ends up causing burnout and frustration, creating video after video that doesn't actually get you any further growing your business, not growing your list or making sales. So in this video, we're gonna fix that exact problem. So I'm gonna show you how to use video marketing so you can grow your reach, your impact, and your revenue online. Now, before I get into the 3 steps, make sure you hit the little subscribe button down there, turn on the bell to make sure you don't miss out on any of my video content. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna make sure I get a guide to you that's gonna help you implement one of these key steps that we're gonna be going through today. So make sure you stick around for that. Now, let's get into the 3 steps that you need in order to have successful video marketing as a solopreneur or a coach. So step 1 is to know your goal. So with everything in business, there has to be a goal in mind. And in video marketing, you need your goal that's actually going to lead to your success. And when you're able to do this, that's when you're able to grow your reach, your impact, and your revenue online. So how we do that is determining what we want to achieve. So that could be things like launching your digital product or your service. It could be growing your email list. It could be growing your fans or your following on your Instagram, your Facebook, or your YouTube channel. But the key thing here is to get specific. So knowing your numbers of the number of followers, leads, percentages of engagement, and in what time frame, so that we know if we've achieved that goal or not. So the next thing is to know, in order to achieve that goal, what kinds of videos do we need to create that will get us that end goal of 5,000 new leads in our email list, or growing our Facebook channel by 1,000 in 3 months. There are specific videos in order to achieve a specific goal. Not all videos are created equal, basically. And once we know that, the types of videos, this is the really key part. These videos need to have the right message. What goes out to our audience, what our audience hears. This message is about getting people to stand up and pay attention. And when you have that dialed in, it means you have an audience of your ideal clients that are waiting, ready to work with you. This comes from truly nailing who your audience is and what they want to hear from you, and how what you offer will transform their lives. So you've just learned how to effectively use video in your marketing to grow your reach, your impact, and your revenue online. But it doesn't do any good if you don't understand how to structure those videos that you're putting out in front of your audience. So if you'd like to learn how to do that, then make sure you click the link below this video with a free guide on the 5 key elements your videos need. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.